Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this ssouwao 60W 12 amps 8 ports desktop USB charging station. It has also QC, fast charge and wireless charge. It has a lot of good reviews, comes for a decent price. Here we have some of the specs and description. So let's take it out of the box and see what we get. So we get this instructions manual, very short one, but of course there's not much need. I mean, it's a USB charging station, and we get station and the power cable itself. So let's plug it in and see. Everything is ready. We have 5 volts ready for USB charge and wireless as well. Unfortunately, I don't have too many wireless charging devices, but let's first try with this watch, and you can see it starts charging really fast. So looks like for normal devices it starts charging really fast. Now let's go to a bigger challenge, and that's this rugged phone. That's usually really hard to charge. There are a lot of wireless chargers struggling with that, and it looks also we don't get any charge from this charger. So wireless charge is definitely not the key point here from this charger. When we have a slim phone, normal phone, then it shouldn't be a problem. But when we have these thick rugged phones or using a thick case, then it's probably not working. So let's also test the single ports a little bit. Here we can see that it's supporting up to 2.4 amps at 5 volts, exactly what they have been stating. Now let's go to the quick charge. That's going to be more interesting, of course. It looks like it's confirming up to 18 watts, up to 12 volts, 1.5 amps. Yeah, that's really nice. A lot of support you can see for Samsung, Huawei, Apple and so on. Quick charge 2.0, quick charge 3.0. Really nice, this port here. And then as a last thing, the USB-C. There has been a little bit of discussion about if it's a PD, which would be higher voltage, like 9 volts, 12 volts, or even up to 20 volts or so, or if it's not. And as far as I can see here with my testing device, it's not PD, it's USB-C. Yeah, that's nice. So we have the option for the USB-C to C, but it is not supporting PD. I've also done similar tests then with the fast charge trigger, and it has been showing the same thing. So looks like there is no higher voltage support on the USB-C. Even if I'm not using automatic detection, if I'm using manual overriding of the voltage, you can see I'm going up now to 9 volts, 12 volts, and when we start and we check the voltage, we can see that it has been going down to 5 volts again. Now let's see what happens when we use multiple devices. I have one down here, one up here, and I'm starting this with 2 amps. Of course there's some loss regarding the cable. I'm starting this too, also 2 amps. Let's see what we can see on the display. It shows 2.5 amps, 2.6 amps. That's the loss which we have in the cable. That sounds very reasonable. We can do the test also directly here on the port, and we don't have any loss. Let's see. So here we are at 20 watts, which is above what they have been telling, and it's still above 12 volts. So it looks like the charge is definitely very, very capable. Let's see what happens when we increase it even. Yeah, that's insane. I stopped this thing here at 30 watts. That's absolutely crazy. So you can see how powerful this thing really is. I don't want to destroy this. So what I really like here are 2 things. First thing is that we have really stable value here with the amps. With a lot of other devices we have some very shaky values. I've seen jumping these values up and down like crazy with some other USB chargers, and here we have super stable values. That helps a lot, first to charge of course, and then second also to test such devices. This looks really good. And what I also like is here the total amount of power which we have as an output. That's 26.5 watts. This is important to not overcharge. I mean, we know the total capacity is 60 watts, so when we go too close to 60 watts, that's not good on the long term. So I would highly recommend to stay maybe a little bit lower. That's always recommended, to leave a little bit of gap to have longer lifetime and prevent from overheating. But for me at the moment looks very good, really nice device, one of the most beautiful devices. We have also the non-slip here for the wireless charge. We have some anti-slip down here, really nice, beautiful, all the information what we want. We have quick charge support, so yeah, I can give you full recommendation on that, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.